Welcome to the project demonstration of safety implementation of a three-phase irrigation motor. So in this project we are going to implementing the safety precautions for a three-phase irrigation motor. For demonstration purpose we are using a single-phase irrigation motor and which will control through the electromagnetic relay. So the motor will be controlled with help of two inputs. So one is a soil moisture sensor, nothing but moisture level inside a soil, and another is LM35 temperature sensor. So this soil moisture sensor we are going to dip inside a soil to check the moisture level wherever you want to pump the water till the total field. So at the end of the field we are going to place this moisture sensor inside a soil. And next, LM35 sensor will be placed near the coils of the AC motor. So the purpose of this LM35 sensor is whenever we are running the motor, there is a chance of getting heat up. Two cases mainly. One case is dry run. So if there is no water inside a well or a bore well, then the motor will dry run, and then the heat getting coils will get heat up. So that microcontroller will check that with help of this LM35 sensor, and whenever it's getting heat up due to the dry run or due to any heavy load, or else if any struck inside the pipes, then the motor getting heat up. So in these cases, if the motor temperature increased certain threshold value, then automatically microcontroller will switch off the motor with help of this electromagnetic relay. And one more case to switch off the motor is whenever the field filled with water, then the moisture level increases, and that increasing level will be identified by our microcontroller CM, and it will off the motor. To on the motor, temperature should be normal and moisture level should be low, and to off the motor, moisture level high or temperature is high. In these two cases also we are going to off the motor. So the whole system driven getting power supply from this 230 volts input to this regulated power supply board, and from here the output voltage given to the microcontroller motherboard along with the sensors, soil moisture sensor and temperature sensor, and parallelly we are providing the 230 volts input to this motor with help of this electromagnetic relay. So there is a LED indication also to show the status of the relay, and one more red LED indication whenever the abnormality is detected. So let us see the demonstration. So initially we kept the moisture sensor outside, so there is no moisture level. So initially it will on and off two times. After that, as we discussed, there is no moisture level, so that microcontroller switched on the motor, and whenever the moisture level increases, then automatically the motor will get switched off and will show the status of the motor got switched off due to the moisture level. And so if the temperature is high, then also the motor will get switched off, and there is a light indication of alerts. Right.